Here we have a problem on proportion. Find the fourth proportional to 2a, a square and c. We can assume the fourth proportional as x. So these four terms are in proportion: 2a, a square, c and x. Here we can apply cross product rule of proportion to find the fourth proportional x. So cross product rule is nothing but the product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is 2a times x is equal to a square times c. Okay, I need the value of x. So to get the value of x, I am going to bring this 2a to the right side of the equation. Here 2a and x are multiplied. If I bring the 2a to the right side, it will become division. So x is equal to a square times c by 2a. So this can be simplified. So we get x is equal to ac divided by 2. So the fourth proportional to 2a, a square and c is ac by 2.